How to recover WhatsApp deleted messages without backup recovery. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. Today's video I'll be showing you how you can recover your WhatsApp deleted chat. In order to recover this information, recovering deleted WhatsApp messages without a backup can be quite challenging, but it's not impossible. Here's a method how you can try. So the method requires using a third-party tools and there is no guarantee of success, however, but you can give it a try. Now first of all, what you can do is as soon as you've deleted the message, you can stop using the WhatsApp immediately. So as soon as you realize that you've deleted important messages, stop using WhatsApp for a certain period to prevent a new data for overwriting the deleted messages. Now step number 2 is you can download a WhatsApp recovery tool. So you'll need to download a third-party application for WhatsApp recovery. As WhatsApp recovery tool, it might help you to recover your deleted messages. Now one such tool is known as Dr. Phone. Now Dr. Phone data recovery that will be compatible on your Android device. Apart from that, you can also install and run the recovery tool. So what else you can do is install the WhatsApp recovery tool on your computer. As soon as you've done that, connect your phone to your computer and use a cable to connect your Android or iOS device to your computer, and this might be able to fix the issue. So apart from that, there is no such option to recover deleted messages without backup. So in this way you can recover your deleted WhatsApp messages without backup. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.